Welcome to my online Spanish class. My name is Wendy and I'm the course instructor. This video will provide an overview of Spanish for kids ages 10 and up. Level 1 will release on August 30th for the fall semester of 2021. This class is a video-based Spanish course that covers one semester of Spanish for beginners. No prior Spanish is required. The course is designed so that you can move at your own pace. You will have 1 year to complete the entire course. If you need more time, just contact me. In this course, I teach greetings, numbers 0 to 20, the alphabet, vocabulary about the family, colors, clothing, magic words like please, thank you, and other polite terms, the days and the months, holidays, seasons, weather, shapes, the house and the furniture, adjectives, emotions, question words, an introduction to conjugation. I teach the useful verb estar and foundational grammar rules and pronunciation tips. Each lesson contains or employs new material, practice pronunciation, practice exercises with the teacher, a spiral learning teaching method, an explanation of grammar rules and how to apply them, reviews, root word analysis to strengthen overall language skills, mixed immersion, which is some Spanish and some English, and there is a geography and culture lesson at the end of each chapter. Here are some samples of the video lessons from Level 1 and the teaching methods that I use. Antes de empezar, vamos a recitar los números del 0 al 20. ¿Listos? Repite conmigo. Blanco, blanco, negro, negro, rojo, rojo, azul, azul, amarillo. I want you to notice how I will match the ending of the color words to match the clothing I'm describing. That's what I mean about matching the gender and the number of the noun. ¿Listos? La playera anaranjada. Playera is a t-shirt. Anaranjado o anaranjada is orange. That's a big word. Repite conmigo. Esta es la bandera nacional de Guatemala. This is the national flag of Guatemala. Hay dos colores. Los colores son azul y blanco. The colors are blue and white. Notice that llevar starts with a double L, which, you know, sounds like a Y. Ya, llevar. This verb also ends in an AR. You will notice that the last two letters of the verb, the AR, change to an A when I use it in the sentences below. That is called conjugating the verb, or conjugation. Antes de empezar, vamos a repasar un poco de lo que hemos aprendido. Before we begin, let's review, or repasar, a few things we have learned. ¿Qué significa la palabra hay? Empareja las descripciones con las imágenes. Match the descriptions with the images. Notice that words in orange are vocabulary from previous lessons. Opuestos means opposites. Did you notice any palabras opuestas? Sí, ¿verdad? Let's see if you can match the opposite words now. Poco. Mucho. Sí. Grande y pequeño. Sí. Viejo y nuevo. Correcto. Palabras interrogativas, por ejemplo, ¿qué? ¿Cuántos? ¿Quién? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cómo? ¿Cuál? Las palabras interrogativas siempre cuestan mucho trabajo, ¿verdad? Question words always take more work. So, I've included a worksheet for you to use to practice these more. ¿Dónde vives? Vivir means to live. It's from the Latin root viv, meaning life, alive, or lively. Think of the word survival, revive. ¿Cuáles son algunas emociones que tenemos? Tú puedes sentirte o estar feliz, emocionado, enojado, enfermo, triste, sorprendido, cansado. Usando los pronombres personales que aprendieron en la lección 2, vamos a conjugar el verbo estar. Notice that the verb reflects the subject or subject pronoun of the sentence. Ahora repite conmigo. Yo estoy. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Tú estás. Yo en mi habitación. ¿Estoy o estás? Yo. Yo estoy. Sí, yo estoy en mi habitación. Level 1 moves at a fairly rapid pace, but I use a lot of review and practice exercises. Also, each lesson has downloadable resources such as flashcards, worksheets, and games. Students are encouraged to select one or more of these to practice the content from each lesson. The video lessons move in consecutive order, so students cannot jump ahead without completing each lesson. However, students may always go back and review any lesson at any time. The course fee covers the entire family, so only one enrollment is needed per family. Please contact me directly if you have any questions. I look forward to having you in my class.